I think more importantly, we've always been looking for outlets similar to Glow that allow a degree of exploration that are kind of loosened up from the typical confines that sort of a fully built, long-term construction project has. So we're working on a project right now, which is a project for the city of Manhattan Beach, and it's the design of a series of benches for the city, those kinds of components. So on that project, we kind of came at it from kind of a couple different angles. We were really interested in the sort of specifics of surf culture. So we did kind of a whole study of surf forms and sort of understanding the structures of how the body put themselves in those positions. And then we literally started looking at taking surf wear and using that as the formwork for creating structures to sit on.
So in my hand is a model, is one of the test models for the wetsuit bench project. This is a plaster casting of the formwork of two portions fused together. And you can see in the details the extraction of all of the stitching pattern in detail, and even change of material that happens in the actual suits, that we started to incorporate it into the jointing conditions of the benches to make them perform in different ways. So you've got one patternation that causes less of a stretch, and then there's other material conditions that actually allow the material to expand more. So there's a kind of engineering of the skin beyond what typically happens in the wetsuits that's happening in these, to make these obviously perform in the manner of the bench configuration as opposed to literally a wetsuit configuration. Right now we've finished our prototyping, and so we're in the process of working with the city to do the first full-scale model on site.
And when can people expect to see these?
I'd say fall of this year.